So my next question, and one of the questions I had for you at the NASA Social was the Earth impact. And so you described this as a paradigm shift in studying human health beyond Earth's protective magnetosphere, right? So in this deep space radiation environment, what were, or I'm sorry, yeah, what were we missing before Avatar that we'll now be able to see from the radiation in space? And then how does this technology actually transfer to the Earth technology, or like what we can do with this technology on Earth?
And thanks for asking that because that's really near and dear to me. When I was studying in graduate school, one of my goals was to really have an impact on, human health here on Earth. And so what I really love about what we're doing is that we're addressing a really important issue for NASA and, being able to create personalized, bone marrow chips out of each of the astronauts and then and send them out to the deep space environment so they're exposed to radiation, unlike anything you can do here on Earth, and the microgravity. And we can compare the results directly to them to get an understanding how an individual responds to that environment. And people will say, well, so what does that, how's that helping us here on Earth? And we were able to get the stem cells from their blood to
Wow.
actually generate these types of models. So non-invasive. And I could see eventually, Naya, I could see even one day where you go into your doctor's office with some sort of a disease and they take a blood draw and create your organ chips from you, depending what that is, and they start to test the right therapy for you. Because I think that's where medicine has been really challenged in that, everybody's treated the same way and we're not the same.